This video is specifically for all my friends in the Sacramento Valley because, of course, Walker Kreative is a Sacramento-based marketing agency. We are right in Fair Oaks, California. All right. So recently we did a marketing boot camp at the Rancho Cordova Marriott Hotel. There's about 37 people in the room and it just went great. It was about 10 days ago. And we covered all the basics of SEO, funnels, working out your email campaigns, the basics of websites and how they're built, and of course social media, both organic and social media advertising. And all into the details of, for example, do you have a Google My Business page and how does that get set up and posted to regularly to really support your SEO work that you're doing. That said, Walker Kreative has a passion for helping small businesses in our community. And we're going to be holding marketing boot camps from time to time. The next one is planned for June, so you can stay aware and follow our channel to make sure that you can attend. We'll be covering all these basics. One thing I wanted to cover in this video is sort of the marketing 1, 2, 3. The 3 key things that any small business needs to have in place. And what those are is first, your why, second, your who, and then third, your how. Of course, your why is why you're in business. What is the change you're trying to create? What are you trying to do for your customers, your clients, the people that your products and services are for? You got to really have that down to communicate properly through your marketing messages. It obviously isn't just to sell things to people. It's to create a change, to change their lives, their lifestyle, give them something they truly need, a problem that you're solving for them. Once you really work that out, everything else goes forward from that. Then, of course, once you have that, you have who's your who. What's your target audience? If you're just trying to sell to everybody or do Facebook boosts or Facebook ads to, let's say, your small business in Sacramento, to everybody in Sacramento, you're never going to really get what you want. You got to nail down who your target audience is. And those people are going to have specific lifestyle choices. They are going to be maybe mostly men or mostly women or maybe things for children. They're going to have an age bracket. They're probably going to have an income bracket. They're going to have certain things they do in their lives. They might eat certain foods or be into athletics or CrossFit or yoga or all these different types of details. They might live in a specific area. So you need to know what those things are because you can really get into fine-tuning all the different pieces of your marketing mix to make sure you're talking to them specifically. So that every time you do put out a marketing message, whether it's a video like this or a blog post on your website or a social media post or an email, you're really talking to that person that you need to be talking to, and that is going to create the communication, the connection, and then the trust to do business with you. And of course, that third piece is the how, and that is your marketing campaign. That is the pieces of your marketing that you need to be doing to reach those people, to share that why. That how is the things we go through in our marketing boot camps and the things we go through when we work with our clients all around the United States to help them grow their businesses. And it's going to be the social media pieces, it's going to be the email campaigns, it's going to be the Google advertising, the YouTube advertising through videos that we do. All these different things come into play. But for you, it's going to be unique and it's going to be specifically what you need to be doing in your business to reach that exact target market with where they are. It might be on Instagram if they're a younger audience or Facebook. These are the things you'll be working out. All right. So I hope that helped. And again, that is why we do marketing boot camps. So we'll be doing one in Sacramento, and that is going to be in June. So look out for that. And otherwise, we're here for you. If you are a small business that needs marketing help, reach out to us anytime. Thank you very much.